What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
I just think she's scared.
Three, two, one. Oh.
No! No!
Lying around the station while she gets on with her life.